making a bike stand or bike rack for my mountain bikes. When you buy mountain bikes, they don't come with kickstands, so I can't even buy aftermarket kickstand for a couple of these bikes because the frames do not support aftermarket kickstand. So I'm just using regular box joints. I don't know if they're even joints, because they're just pretty much wood glue and screws butt joint to each other or butt up to each other. So tire fitting time. I have two sets of tire. I have a 29-inch tire and a 27.5-inch tire. I have these notches so that I can easily roll the bike up into the tire rack. I'm staining the bike rack so that I can give it some longevity, since it's going to be sitting out in the dirt all day, every day. So I decided to make it a 4-bike rack instead of a 2-bike. So the 2 larger bikes are going to sit on the outside. The green bike here is a large bike with 29-inch tires. This one here is a medium bike, with the handlebars also being a little wider. And this black bike is a small, so the handlebar width is also a little smaller than the when compared to the green bike and the Marlowe bike. And here's the last bike, which is the blue bike, and it is a small, and the handlebar is really small on this one. So here's how this little notch works. The bike just rolls up into the rack. So I hope this video was helpful for those who have mountain bikes and need a simple solution to hold them up. And if you like this video, please subscribe and give a thumbs up. And thank you very much for watching this. Goodbye.